Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to discuss on how to install an VS Code in our machine. So basically, we have some things called IDE, Integrated Development Environments. We need those for our any project development because in any project we are going to have the set of folder structures we have to follow, and we need to create. Sometimes we have to create the virtual environment as well, right? So we need the IDEs for that. There are many famous IDEs are there. One of those that we are going to talk about is VS Code, right? So other IDEs are like IntelliJ IDEA, PyCharm, etc. Right? So to install VS Code, just go to Google and search for VS Code and click on the first link that you get, right? And for you will follow the instructions for Mac, Windows, and Linux as well. So we are going to click on install in the Mac machine. So similarly, it's going to be the same step for Windows as well. So click on download. You will see the application being downloaded. Go to the downloads folder and double click on it and follow the screen instructions which are there. So in uh, Mac, it's going to be a little different, but that is fine. So it's going to install the Visual Studio Code into the applications. So let's wait for it to install. Um So in the VS Code, while meanwhile it is installing, so what we are going to discuss is what are the components of VS Code. We may use it for our AI applications as well. There can be some places where plugins can be installed. Plugins meaning we might have to use some Python plugins, Claude for VS Code plugins. So all those things are very much necessary in the installation. So let's wait for it to complete and then we will resume our recording. All right, now we have installed it. If I search for VS Code, we will see that an application is there, right? Click on it and then open for the Visual Studio Code. So once it is open, it's getting taking a bit of time to open, but yeah, once you open, you will see that this is how it looks. So let's see. Yeah, we have not this actually. No thanks. Click on this. So it is, yeah, basically it was all installed earlier, so hence you see some release notes. But once you open a new VS Code, right? So that this is how you will be able to see, where you'll have the file explorer here, and then you have the search button in case if you want to search any files. This is for the source code control. For example, in any production environment, we are going to use source code versioning, right? To keep track of all our source code changes, we are going to use Git and GitHub for our source code versioning. So this is used for it. And for debugging purpose, we'll use the run and debug option. And this is very important where we are going to discuss on some of the extensions, right? So this is how the VS Code terminal looks, and this is how we are going to install the VS Code in any machine, right? So in the next video we will see how to install Python, GitHub, and also some of the extensions that are necessary for our development process, right? Thank you so much.